No.
Hey, sorry, let me share the screen.
What? That's your screen.
Okay. You will see it now. I'm sorry. Can you see my screen now? Can you see the screen now? Hello? Can we all see the screen now? Hello? Hey. Is it network again? Jesus. Alright, can we all see my screen right now?
Okay, yeah. Yes, I can see it.
Alright, thank you very much. So let's continue from where I stopped just now. Okay, I stop at what's called coin versus token, right? So now when we talk about coin versus token, now like I said coin have their own blockchain, while token are built on existing blockchain. Now understand this very well. Example of a coin, look at this. When we talk about the example of a coin, we have Bitcoin, we have Ethereum, we have Solana. These are coin. There is a difference, in fact, a huge gap and difference between a coin and a what's it called token. A coin has its own blockchain. It is built by its own blockchain, like a native token. That's the way a coin is. A coin is like a native token. It's as if, let me see it this way now. Somebody who is from Nigeria is what? Please let's answer me now. Someone who is from Nigeria is what?
Nigerian.
Is a Nigerian,
Nigerian.
right?
Yes, sir.
All right. Now, if you bring someone from United States of America to Nigeria, is that person a Nigerian?
No, sir.
But the person can be living in Nigeria, right? So the person can be living in. So the fact that that person is living in Nigeria does not actually mean that that person is a Nigerian by what's it called, by birth or by nature. Are we getting it now? So a coin has its own blockchain. So when any blockchain that is building its own personal blockchain, they actually build their own coin. Like Bitcoin now, when they were building Bitcoin as a blockchain, there was a means of exchange that was needed, which is called Bitcoin. That's BTC. We call it BTC. Are we getting this thing? Let me use an example. Another example. How many of us remember this tap swap that they did last 2024, where people were tapping their phone? Hamster Combat. You remember Hamster Combat, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
Now,
sir.
if those of us that remember Hamster Combat, you will be hearing tone. I want to buy tone. We feel like gas fee. I want to buy gas fee. I don't know if you remember gas fee. I want to buy gas fee. Tone.
Yes, sir.
Now you see the tone that they were buying stone is a coin and also a blockchain.